Hello students, once again welcome to English Literature Classroom. Today my topic is Shakespeare's The Merchant of Venice Act 4 Scene 1. I already taught up to line 250. Today I am going to start from line 251. But before starting, let me recap a little. Act 4 opens in a courtroom in Venice with the Duke, Antonio, Bassanio, Grishanio, Salario and others present. The Duke expresses sympathy for having an enemy that is as empty of mercy as Shylock. Antonio states that as the law is on Shylock's side, he is ready to pay the price. Next, Portia comes disguised as a lawyer. She asks Antonio about the bond. Antonio confesses having signed the bond. Then Portia makes a moving appeal to Shylock to be merciful, as mercy is the noblest and godlike quality. Antonio next telling, most heartily, I do beseech the court to give the judgment. Antonio is requesting the court to give him the judgment. Portia is telling, why then does it is so? You must prepare your bosom for the knife. Portia is requesting Antonio that he should be prepared for the knife of Shylock. Shylock thinks that Portia is supporting him. Therefore, Shylock tells, O noble judge, O excellent young man, Portia, for the intent and purpose of the law hath full relation to the penalty which here apparent the due upon the bond. Portia is telling that the penalty is not against the law. Shylock is telling that it's very true, O wise and upright judge. Next, Shylock is telling Portia that Portia looks more experienced and wiser than youthful appearance. Portia is telling, therefore, lay bare your bosom. Portia is telling Antonio that he's exposed his chest to the night. Shylock is telling that his breast, so says the bond. Shylock is telling that yes, Antonio should uncover his chest, that is what the bond says. Portia is telling that it's correct. Shylock, now Portia is telling that it's correct. Are there balance here to weigh the flesh? Portia wants to tell that if there is balance there or not. Shylock is replying that he is ready with the balance. Portia, have by some surgeon Shylock on your charge to stop his wounds. Now Portia is requesting Shylock to arrange some doctor here at his expense. Otherwise Antonio would bleed to death. Shylock is telling that is it mentioned in the bond? Portia, if it is not mentioned in the bond, so what? He should do it for charity. Shylock is replying that he cannot do it because it's not in the bond. Portia is now requesting Antonio that whether he has to say anything or not. Antonio is telling that he is prepared and well prepared. Next, Antonio is telling Bassanio to give his hand and telling farewell, and also advising Bassanio not to grieve as he had fallen in such a state because of Bassanio. Next, Antonio also is telling that fortune is much kinder to him. Such an unfortunate man lives old age in poverty and goes through it with sunken, hollow eyes and wrinkled forehead. Okay, but Antonio need not have to see such a life. Okay, Antonio is cut off from all such miseries. Up to this much. In my next video, I will continue with this scene. Until then, goodbye.